Hey, what's going on, guys? Robbie Blanchard here, and did you know that affiliates on ClickBank are making $444,913 each and every day? That's $162 million per year, guys. Why are you not making money with ClickBank? And I want to share with you how you can start making money online today with this method. In fact, it's what I've used to become the #1 affiliate in the entire world on ClickBank. I've also become a ClickBank Platinum member, and I've been able to generate $1.8 million in the past 4 months alone this year. So I want to show you how I've done it. It's a very simple 3-step process. In fact, I've helped out over 200 people to date this year with this same method. Now, for this free training, all I have to do is click that link above to register, or in the description and on the training, I'm going to teach you how to use this 3-step method to generate big commissions on ClickBank so you can make thousands of dollars each and every day. Now, you don't need to have any experience whatsoever, okay? You don't need to have an email list, Shopify store, or anything. All you need is a Facebook account and a ClickBank account, which are both free, guys. So go ahead and click that link above, register for the free training, and I can't wait to help you out in the next few minutes.